Punctuation. Quotation marks are most commonly used to signify spoken words and direct quotes. Question marks are easily recognized. They turn a statement into a question. An M dash is long and creates a break in thought, joining clauses and sentences. An N dash is shorter than an M dash and longer than a hyphen. It indicates a time period. A slash is used to show division and separate alternatives. For fractions, dates. A backslash is used in computing. It is not a standard punctuation mark in English writing. The @ sign is used before the email domain name in email addresses. Angle brackets are used to enclose words or numbers that aren't related to the context. A hyphen is used to separate letters or words. It also clarifies meaning. A colon connects sentences and introduces something. A semicolon separates two independent clauses, two separate and complete thoughts. A comma provides a pause in a sentence or details a list of items. Apostrophes indicate possession and ownership. Also, they replace letters and indicate shortened speech. Brackets modify direct quotes for clarity and let the author insert and add commentary to the text. An exclamation mark is used for expression when making a declaration or showing surprise. Parentheses are brackets used to provide additional information in the text. Periods mark the end of a sentence and indicate a complete, full stop and pause of a thought. An ellipse tells the reader that text is missing. It replaces text. Asterisks mark text that has a reference or annotation and stands for an omitted matter. The ampersand represents for and is used in titles and company names. Let's review. The end.